All right, I'm going to start the installation of the rotor and the mag pickup. Step one is to set the engine to full advance with one cylinder on compression. So I'll go over here and put it in fourth gear. All right, we're in fourth gear now. And let's, we'll even use a flashlight so I can see things in here. I'm going to put my finger over the compression hole and turn it till I get a little bit of pump here. Okay, there's pressure right there. Now let's turn it around till we get to the full advance mark. Interesting, the older bikes, this is a 72, they don't have the notch. Now I'm pretty doggone sure that Nortons are full advanced at 28 degrees. Okay, that's what my notes say. And there's the mark coming up, and I get it right here at 28 degrees. And then I back it just a little bit to go past 28, back just a little to take the slack out, and that's dead nuts on 28 degrees. Okay, let's go to the other side. And according to my Tri-Spark notes, which I printed out, I have printouts on about every ignition system you've ever heard of, and a whole lot you haven't. The initial setting for the rotor is with these marks, with the magnets lined up in line with the wire hole. So, just about straight across. There's no separate black box. So let's go ahead and snug this guy down. All right. So going back to where we were. Going full anti-clockwise, coming forward to just light, right there. Locking that down gently because we may have to adjust it a little bit. All right, at this point we're ready to start the bike and strobe it. I'll start the bike and let's see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to need Kevin down here to do a two-man time or what. I got good oil pressure and I got good oil flow. So I started the bike. I've had the bike running, but now I'd like to strobe the ignition. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes.
Yep. Yeah, I'm just not sure what I'm looking at. I'm hard to see it. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Keep going the same way. It is so easy with two people.
Oh, it's just, that's what I told Lyndon. She said, well, what did Frank do before you? I said, hey,
I
you
bounced
can do
around.
it.
I bounced a lot.
Yeah, you can do it. I said, but it's just such a pain in the ass.
I know. Ah, sigh.
There we go.
Yeah.
Cool.
So,
Does that mean this one's about ready to go?
I think we'll do a test ride, but I don't want to
Well,
do
of
it
course,
today.
yeah.
And let me see if I've got the right socket here for this. Yeah, we'll tighten these down and pull. I'm going to tighten this one down really tight, okay? And then we put that ground wire back on the bottom one. Because there's a good old
okay.
tri-spark puts the ground down on the bottom.
Yeah.
So let me just snug the top one again. Okay, that's tight. I probably have to undo this one a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, just put the ground underneath of it.
Yep.
All right.
Let me get it in between them. Since that's work. Ow, hot. Damn, that's why I wear gloves. Righty. Damn.
Right through the glove?
Right through the
Just
glove.
that fast, huh?
Yep. Jesus. And it burnt my ass too.
All right. All right, so basically we have this guy sealed up, good oil flow, good oil pressure,
Yep.
timing set.
If you give me the timing cover, I'll put that down here. I'll put it on.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, drain hole at the bottom.
Yep. Danke. Missed.
All right. Okay, the bike is dressed out. I'm going to give it another start to check the tachometer because I couldn't remember if I saw the tachometer or not. I was adjusting the timing by my ear tack, which said I made it all the way to precisely 5,000 RPM. So I'm going to start the bike now and check the tach. Come on. Well, that was interesting. Still had lights. Whoa! Hello? Hello, motorcycle. Let's turn on the gas. Well, the gas was on, actually, on this side. Choke was on. Let's leave the choke on. I got zip. Whoa. This is choke off. That's choke on. Wow. I got lights, so I got power. Ah, for crap's sake. Let me check to see if something came loose in there. Okay, everything in the mag pickup case is nice and tight and absolutely perfect. I got a bike that has absolutely no interest in starting, deader than a doornail. And I'm out of time. I told Kevin I'd come up and help him with the T1 or the T25. Same thing, set timing. There's an old saying in engineering that we used to say, always suspect the most that which you worked on last. And that is my suspicion. I'm going to check out the ignition system again. Find out, I don't understand. I mean, it's not even trying. But I can't do it now, so I'll do it tomorrow. So, what could have changed? I do not know. I do not know. I do not know. Got power, got gas, and tomorrow I will find out whether or not I have ignition, but I can't do it now. So I'm going to call it the day here. I'll publish this tonight, and I'll get back on it tomorrow.